Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Today, I just wanted to share, a small Zoho CRM extension, which is actually a Chrome extension meant for Zoho CRM Code Assist. I call it Zoho CRM Deluge Assist, which will help me debug and analyze the code within the Zoho's IDE itself. Okay. So unlike the Zoho CRM Explorer, this is a Chrome extension. Let me quickly show you. So basically, first what you need to do is install the extension from here. I'll give you the link in the comments so you can install it. You go to the browser, you open the extension, you can go to setup, and you put your API provider, the key. You put the GitHub GitHub details here and save it. That's it. Okay. So once that is done, you are here, and I have some sample code written here. I can go and create a new project. I can analyze the project, and it will show me some warnings or errors which are there in this particular code. If there are any, I can go, it will show me some fixes to do. I can click on that line and go to that line as well. Now this is static analysis, but if you want AI to actually analyze your code, you can simply click on this plus AI, and it will actually go send these details to the AI, the model you selected, and get you the details of any errors which are being passed by the AI to you. So you have potential null pointers here. You have other details of fetching all records from contact without criteria is inefficient. So all those details come back to you. Okay. uh, Again, just to put a context, this works as a standalone, and this works in hand in hand with the CRM Explorer tool. So if you remember the CRM Explorer tool which was there earlier, if you remember this tool, if you have installed this tool and run a scan, then you will see this green dot, where it will say, okay, 37 modules and two functions 27 minutes ago, which is the data which has been scanned from your CRM and stored in your local browser memory. Now we are utilizing this data within this module as well. So if I'm trying to, for example, if I'm trying to go and see, okay, where is which record is this? Okay, so this is getting, or this is telling me that, okay, this record belongs to contacts. Okay, or if I don't know the API name, I'll say get and colon, and actually it will show me all the API names. You see this? This generally I don't think you would get anywhere, but you can see all the API names, and then you can select the right name for you. Okay, because generally what happens is, there are weird API names given by developers, and then while writing the code they just mess up things. Okay, so you get all those details as well. If you want, you will have a explainer. So in case you want of this function to be explained, suppose you're an end customer, there's a function written, you don't know what it does, you can just click on the explain this function. It uses the context of the CRM Explorer data plus the function, and it will give you the details of, okay, when this is triggered, how, what it does. It will actually tell you what data it reads, what it writes, what are the external calls made, assumptions, risks, as well as the improvements you need to do do in this code. Okay. So basically this is a small thing which helps developers to understand, or helps them with the code itself. In case you want to push this data to GitHub, and if you're using a multi user environment, you can do that. So I have this GitHub function here. You have already put your GitHub credentials in the setup, so I can just say commit to GitHub. It will tell me, okay, what's changed, what's not changed. I can commit here. Okay. So this commit is done. If I go there, I would see this commit done in GitHub. So right now this was the first version. I will go and change something here. So let me go and delete this, and then I'll do a commit again. So it will tell me that this is deleted. I'll say, okay, commit, and it's committed. Okay. So if you go back there, it will show me, okay, what's the difference, what was changed, what was not changed. So you can do this as well. Now one more important thing here is this collars. Okay, so I'm just restoring this back, but I have something called as scholars here. So if I click on that, if I click on the scholars, or if I do control AS, what it will do is it will pull up this small impact radar, which will tell me, okay, how many active workflows are calling this particular script, how many modules is it touching. So if it is doing across modules, multiple modules, if it's touching, it will show me here, okay, it's touching multiple modules. So right now it's only contacts, but if it's touching multiple modules, that also it will show me here. uh, do download this plugin. Let me know how you feel about it. It's free completely. No need to pay anything for this. Just an experiment which I was doing, uh, trying to help my developers. See if they can get some value from this. If you are getting some value from this, do let me know. Happy Monday again. Take care. Bye bye.